Make I adjust the word.
Boss.
Alpha.
How they find of boss? This one you reached out.
Man, you get waiting, I won't make me and you wrong. What idea am now.
Like this?
Now like this.
Tell me waiting to do, man, run him immediately.
You get this girl.
Okay.
We be say, I won't make me and you tidy her matter. You understand?
Wait, let me call you back.
Madam, is here number 9?
No, here is number 10.
Ah!
Take my phone! Get my phone!
Want to rob you?
Yes, ma'am! Take my phone!
Get out from here!
My phone, man! Are you receiving?
Fool!
Oh!
It's fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, is this how you would have lost your phone?
Not that, I was just there making call. He just took my phone.
So sorry, eh? That means this place is not safe, eh? So get into the car, let me take you off.
No, don't worry. I've already called my cab man.
See, I insist because I think this place is not safe. Even me, I'm not safe here. Let me just manage my car and take you out of this place. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. I mean, this place is not even safe. Put your seatbelt, my
I
dear.
swear you saved my life. My phone.
So, I mean, you're lucky today, that's what I think.
Thank you.
Oh, some phone. Hello? Oh, yeah, I'm good. What? Are you serious? Like it has gotten to that? Yeah. Well, no problem. What? A surrogate? Really? Well, I don't know of any now. I don't know of any now, but I will look around and see if I can get any, you know. I'll just ask few persons that I know. Yeah, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. It's fine, my guy, no issue, eh? I'll talk to you later. Bye. Man.
Everything is fine.
Yeah, but you know, truth be told, people are passing through a lot, like a whole lot. You can't believe someone, I have this friend now that just called me. He's looking for a surrogate, like someone, and he's willing to pay good money, 40 million.
Wow.
Yeah.
40 M.
He's willing to pay 40 M.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah. But I mean, what can I do? I will just look around and see if I can find anyone interested. I mean, the money is interesting too.
Maybe you should call one or two persons and ask.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Without you, God, my phone, I'll just die. I can't stay without my phone.
It's fine. It's
Thank
fine.
you.
You're welcome.
You're my savior.
It's okay.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, can I have your number, please?
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
maybe we could chat on WhatsApp or...
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Please call the number.
070
070
375
375
23572.
23572.
Exactly.
Your name?
Jude is my name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jude.
Yeah, so just write me and I will reply.
I will save it with Savior Jude.
Oh, really? That's fine. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't worry. Anywhere you're going to, I will take you there, okay?
That way.
Okay, no problem. A job well done. Janka bad boy. Where is he? Hello, Janka. Oh, look at him there. Nice one. Bad boy. Come over, come over, come over. What's up now?
Hey!
Bad boy.
Hey, you can't make me feel like say the guy even carry bag hit me for head, Baba. This stuff, no.
What is it? I dey try make I mime the punch, make I no blow you. But when the girl come near, she say I don't want for call.
I dey tell you.
Make I hammer you one way.
When the guy hit me the handbag, I know say the deal don't smooth.
Yes.
How far the waiting we plan go, Abi?
Confirm.
Correct.
Like,
No wahala, Baba.
nice one, Baba.
No, now
I
you are the
believe
learn
you,
from
I
now.
believe.
No wahala, boss.
I believe you.
Now you are the learn from.
Give me this your as I make I
Okay.
run you one or two.
Okay, no wahala. 011.
Which bank?
Okay. Nixon Bank.
Nixon Bank.
Yes.
Okay. Number
111. Sorry, 011.
011
521
521
8277. Yes, boss.
Man, that was a nice hour.
Baba, now you try pass. This small thing I just doing, I don't. No, wahala, boss.
All right, now no issue.
Thanks, Baba. Anytime you need me,
No
just
bad.
holler at your boy. I'll deal with you.
Nothing
No
to do.
wahala.
All
Take
right.
care, Baba.
All right,
I need
Baba.
your respect.
Good. Oh boy, make I go find where I go chop. Greg, anything for you, man.
How far? Did she take the offer?
She said she's going to think about it. But you see, Greg, the look on her face shows that she's going to accept. Then we will know she was never pregnant.
So that means there's a possibility she's saying the truth.
No, Greg. No. I see no possibility there. Because nothing stops her from telling me there and then that she's pregnant for another man. But she said she was going to think about it. That means something is fishy. That girl is not genuine. She's not.
In that case, I should forget about her.
Exactly. Forget her. Forget that girl.
At times in no be as you they see something no be so that he need they be. Now he make her they say no they rush they conclude no. I they look for fine body, I they look for fine face. Yo. I no say now for inside the way beauty day. I for lose better thing, no. When me.
Are you with my order?
No, it's upstairs.
Oh, really? Okay, 1 minute. Let me get it. Right? I'm coming back. You can on the car if you want. Yeah. I'm coming back, right?
Everything where they glitter, na him be gold, for inside.
Where does he keep his money? Annabelle, the correct bad girl. Now you the thief that I accuse another person.
My baby girl.
Hey baby.
I'm so sorry for that.
It's okay, it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
You can go now.
Okay. Hey. Hey.
Ah.
Look at water everywhere.
Water,
Millie.
water.
Hey,
Very good.
boy.
You won't kill me, honestly. Where is your gate man? Where is your gate man?
Yeah, 1 minute, please. No.
I can't know myself. Oh, love you everything where they
Man leader.
for inside this life.
Stupid idiot side.
I
Aburuka.
am make you they see well
Aburuka.
before you can't they judge you. Because I can make mistake though.
I need
Where I
money.
dey look
Plenty
for
money.
my baby.
Ha. I'm sure he knows I love money. What's this? Where's the best? Hiding money up and down. Baby,
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Right?
they are not around?
I don't know where I went to, but don't worry yourself.
This is crazy.
Good to make you sit down, oh. Look well.
So they just left your
before you
house.
judge, oh.
Nobody at the gate.
Make you
Baby,
know
don't worry.
they
Those
overrush
idiots
you.
are foolish people.
After you
Don't worry yourself. I will handle them when I'm back, right? Don't worry, okay? I can do that. I can handle it.
For inside this life, oh, I don't learn my lesson. No, they over hurry. At times, over hurry, they kill. Oh. After you go begin to shout, oh. If you say I know, I for no do. Oh. No be everything where they glitter. Say, na him be gold, oh. For inside this life, oh, I don't learn my lesson. Not because I...
Where did you go to? I've been funny when I went out. Where did you go to?
Okay. I mean,
Okay, what?
Rolling Stone Mark, I found myself, but you can't make it yourself.
Please, you have to be careful with me. I don't know if Aburuka, did he tell you who I am? You have to be careful with me. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
I don't like this.
I'm not sure.
Where is he? Where is Aburuka? Where is
I
Aburuka?
said, what the electron shot that goes on.
Yeah, come back here. Come back here. Please, I want you to wash my car. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Wash my car.
Yeah.
Rubbish.
Hey,
David, let's go. Sorry.
Jesus. Person no go rest every time. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Small rest, make a rest. Only one day when you open gate, I run out my digits. Wetin happen? Oga buy goat. Oga go dey who? Who dey kuku? Oga go dey who? Hey! Akruka! Who's that? Shout! What did you do there?
I did justify something. No, I don't see and I don't know who they steal all the money we did to our guys. My that sister.
Which one is the sister?
That sister, that our guy different.
No lie.
I hear her now.
How?
I hear cover this face. I hear now she did thief all the money. Come on,
Jesus.
I'm so happy, honestly. Your brother makes me happy. Thank you, baby.
I told you he's a sweet soul. He knows how to take care of a woman. You have no problem.
And where have you been?
Sir?
I said, where have you been? He says, huh?
I go repair my sandals.
I don't get it. You went to repair your sandals for hours? You left the house for how many hours? Eh?
Sorry, sir.
I told you that you're overfeeding in this house and I need to curtail it. I need to curtail it! Stupid boy.
Thank you, sir.
I'll cut down your salary.
Sir?
I'll cut down your salary to 10,000. Yes, so that you put your head right.
No problem.
What?
Diamond. I'll see you fast.
Who be auntie?
Diamond.
Me?
Okay, with all due respect. Make us see her for a minute.
Are you referring to me?
Yes, you. You actually work at a
Is there any problem?
page.
Is there any problem?
I don't know.
Okay, please, with all due respect. May I see her for a minute?
I don't get it. Why? Are you okay?
Annabelle, follow me, oh.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, I got a good.
Bro, you're here, and this thing is speaking to your fiancé anyhow, and you're not doing anything about it. Anyway, why am I even bothering myself? You gave him the hand. Collect it.
Is there any problem?
There's no problem.
Then why do you want to see her?
Just 1 minute.
Why do you want to see her? Come here.
Come now. Okay, I beg. Sorry.
This boy, yeah? Aboroka.
So you even allowed him to take your woman away?
No, just hold on.
Well, please, I don't know whether this boy did juju to you.
Just hold on.
Don't
Don't worry, hold on first. Let's see what he will come up with. I trust my baby now. Then he should handle it.
And don't get it.
Don't worry.
You're giving this boy too much privilege in this house. And be ordering people. Why is he talking on him?
Don't worry.
Oga, what is it that you wanted to tell me that you couldn't say in front of your Oga?
Stop pointing at me. You should be grateful that I did not even say it in front of him.
I don't understand you. What's that? What's all this all about?
You don't understand me.
Uh-huh.
So we can tell you. The first time when you come inside this compound, I like you. And I won't remember my Oga marry you because I want to see joy for your face. I just say you be better pursue. And I just say you go to defend me, but I don't want to say you be a
Are you losing it or something? Like, what's all this all about? I want to know, what's this? Why did you bring me out here?
Oga, calm down. See me can take. I don't even know who you be until today. Why I follow una comot? Why they inside boot? Oga won't go break. They talk all the nonsense. Where is the money now? Money. You say you be thief. Oh, shocking like this, I don't know.
Me?
And I give you 2 days to pack out of this compound. If not, then you go red. You go like her.
You give me 2 days to pack out of this house. You must be very stupid. You must be very stupid. You know what? I will make sure your guys send you out of this house. Stupid thing. Can you imagine? You give me 2 days. I'll give you 2 days to pack out of this house.
Now what can get out? You didn't know boy. Don't like this one time. Wow. 2 days. You go red.
You give me 2 days.
You go red.
Me.
Okay, what is it?
Baby.
What is it?
Who is this boy? Is he related to you?
What happened?
Do you know he brought me out here to demand for money to buy Igbo? This thing here told me that if I don't give him money, then he will make sure that you chase me out of this house.
When did that one start?
Oh, guy, don't tell him anything. No, you too did.
When did that one start?
My bad. My bad.
Move there.
My bad.
What?
My bad.
When did that?
My bad.
Come here.
Oh,
Come on, get out of here. Baby, I'm sorry about that, okay? Let's go inside.
You brought me.
See, it's
You
okay.
will see.
That's fine. I told you to be careful with me,
I'm
right?
very careful, sir. I'm very
What did they
careful.
bring that one now?
I'm very careful.
Eh? I'm going to book in now. I'm going to check out what we get. I'm going to book in now. I'm going to book in what? Be careful with me. It's okay. I know what to do.
Thank you, sir. This kid did not know. Jeez, nigga. You want to kill me? It's kind of like, No. Now, dude, what I tell him is shock. I want this smoky, but I'm for this my small head. You make I don't go there open there for my guy again. Now line of British.
No be everything where they glitter.
I'm going to tell you.
Na him be gold, for inside this life, oh, I don't learn my.
Okay. This is another room actually. It's supposed to be the guest room. But since we now have this Mugu in this house, we decided to give him the room.
What about the Gateman quarters?
Oh, it's... Woman leader is there now.
Oh, yeah. I saw her. I mean, this space is quite big for a small boy like this. Honestly, I will have to talk to Greg to move into the room downstairs. Be okay for him. I mean, he's a small boy. He doesn't need this big space.
Which kind of be that one? No, which kind of be that one now? Sebi na you get sense pass the oga where say make I dey sleep for this room.
What? Abulka, have you
No
gone?
come force am come for my garro.
Abulka, have you gone mad? Do you know you're speaking to my brother's wife? She has every right to send you out of this house.
Ah, na lie. Na lie. She not be your brother wife. Na your brother wife to be. And you go hard for am to be your brother wife.
No be everything where they glitter. Na him be gold, oh, for inside this life, oh, I don't oh, you make you see well.
I'll kill you today.
Hey. Oh my God! Babe, stop!
I'll kill you today.
No be everything where they glitter. Na him be gold, oh, for inside this life, oh, I don't learn my lesson. It dey good to make you sit down, oh, look well before you judge, oh, make you know they overrush, oh, after you go come make mistake, oh. No be everything where they glitter. Na him be gold, oh, for inside this life, oh, I don't learn my lesson. No dey over hurry. At times over hurry they kill, oh. After you go begin the shout, oh, if you say I know, I for no do, oh. No be everything where they glitter. You say na him be gold, oh, for inside this life, oh, I don't learn my lesson. Now because I dey look for fine baby, that baby will get better cuffs. I no can no say, now for inside the way beauty day. Makana gwa bumma wanyi yo, ejiroma esiofe. Agwa bumma wanyi yo. Agwa bumma wanyi yo.
Oh, babe. Are you okay?
What are you doing with my phone?
I just woke up to turn off the alarm. It was really disturbing me.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
Makana kwa pumma wanya ejiroma esiofe.
Married man. Enjoyment minister.
You need to calm down, we never enter church, so calm down.
I bet forget that thing. You are married. As far as I'm concerned, you are married. By the way, are you not the one that told me that next month, October, we're going to see her people?
Oh yes.
You are married now.
And I can't wait for that to happen. Just that I'm having little issues. But to be honest with you, I'm not feeling her anymore. Yes.
Wait. Greg, I don't understand. How do you?
I can't really place it. I can't figure it out. But something is not really sitting right for me. Something is not sitting right with her.
Greg, just when I thought you'd start, you show up again. You know they ever feel. So you don't chop this one finish now. You want clean mouth. Greg, menu we get belly now. Greg, Zuziani Kenu. What is all this now? How can you? It's Annabello.
I know what I'm talking about, not what you think. I know what I'm talking about.
In fact, you need deliverance. Now, Greg, you need deliverance. Thorough 7 days, 7 nights. That's what you need. Rest now. You don't stitch up this one now, clean out, carry story come out. See, whether you like it or not, you will marry. No, you will marry this girl. See, I think you need deliverance. It's time you get the deliverance.
Deliver me. I'm waiting for you.
Honestly, I never knew this boy is this terrible. Wait. Is this the monster you've been living in the same house with?
He's extremely terrible. Worse than that. I don't know why my brother has blatantly refused to chase him out of this house. I do not know what he has done to my brother. Just hate him for his attitude. So rude.
Right?
Yes, I need him to leave this house. I have tried so much, but it's not working. Maybe you should help me this time around. Talk to my brother. I want him out of this house.
I think his problem is spiritual.
Spiritual?
Yes, there's no need sending him away.
No, I don't think so. There's nothing spiritual about it. That boy is naturally stupid. There's nothing spiritual. He needs to leave this house.
No. It's not time for him to leave. He's not going anywhere. Like I said, his problem is spiritual. And I'm going to invite a man of God that is going to pray for him. By the time he finishes praying for him, his problem will be solved. Trust me. He's a very powerful man of God. Wifey.
I honestly don't buy the idea. But if you insist that calling a man of God would solve this situation, then it's fine. Let's just try. Not like I completely hate him. I just hate his attitude. He's a very annoying character.
He's a pain in the ass.
He is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Lord of fire, Lord of thunder. I'm listening. Speak to me. Oh, I can't get the signal. Oh, Lord, speak to me. Oh, yeah. Good man. Good. Who is Greg? Mr. Greg. Oh, you're a good man. You're a very nice man. Very nice. You're so kind-hearted. But that will bring your destruction. Oh, Reba. Yeke. Oh Lord, talk to me. Because they never see me coming. But I'm here. I am here. I can hear the name. Oh Lord, I can hear the name. Talk to me. Is it Abu? No. Mpolumili. Lord, this can't be Mpolumili. You forbid that side. This is not your doings. Lord, I know your doings. Talk to me directly. I am your son. Talk to me directly, Lord. Abu, who is Abu guy here? Who is Abu guy?
That's him.
Oh, Holy. You, Abu guy. Hey. You be nice to this boy. This boy, you picked him up from the street. Lord, prove to them that you sent me. Oh Lord, talk to me. For the signal is very clear right now. I can hear you, Lord. I can hear you. This guy, His parents are dead.
Ha!
Exactly.
Onyokomita.
Exactly.
Onyokomita.
Yes.
You're correct.
Yes.
Hey.
Makana onyoma. Oh, onyoma. Abuka, this boy here will bring your destruction.
I don't understand. This is how I provide this. How my God will help you? How I want to bring distraction? You slap me.
Will you shut up? You don't talk when the Holy Spirit is talking. How dare you challenge the Holy Spirit? Who can battle with the Lord?
Nobody.
Who can battle with the Lord?
Nobody.
Who can battle with the Lord?
I say nobody.
Yes. You need to send him. Send him out of this
Oh,
house.
Pabu Kuriyeku, did I not say it?
Yes.
I told you, Annabelle. I told you, bro. It's high time, oh. It is high time.
Let me your program this swallow.
Don't mind him. He's not the one talking. That's the evil spirit in him. They are the ones speaking. He must leave this house. But before then, he needs to be there.
We don't let him go with his...
No, we can't send him back like that. Yes, he must be delivered. Else he's going to cause more trouble. Yeke, Rika, Yaka. Who can battle with the Lord?
Nobody.
Who can battle with the Lord?
Nobody.
Who can ba?
Hey.
I said
Nobody.
Thank you. You need to be delivered. He must be delivered.
No.
What is it?
I've had it up here. He's going today. I will not allow him to stay any longer in my house. I don't want him. Eh?
Babe, can you calm down? Listen to me. Come on, he's just a little boy. Let's help him. At least get him delivered first before moving him out.
You don't know what this guy has done. Eh? This guy has cost me a lot. I don't want him any longer in my house.
I understand your pain. But please, let's get him delivered first. Because you can't just push him out there. Please.
No, I'm not considering that. I'm not considering that. I want him out. Let him go. I'm tired. Eh? It's fine. You said you're going. Should I drop you off?
No. Don't bother. The meeting will be in 40 minutes time.
Oh,
Okay?
really?
Yeah, so don't worry.
I'm worried.
Why are you worried?
You're looking so sharp. What's going on? Eh?
I know, right? Thank you. Of course, you're taking good care of me. You know that.
Don't do now. Go now. Go.
Yeah.
You don't want me to go to work again?
You will go. Calm down. But babe, on a serious note, please consider this. Let's help him. Let him get delivered first. Please.
It's fine. So what about the fee? How much are we supposed to pay the prophet?
Come on, babe. I'm going to take care of the bills. It's nothing.
No, stop it.
No, baby, I'm going to take care of feet.
Stop
I'm
it.
serious. I'll take care of feet.
No, see, my problem is my problem. Let me handle it, right? I'll take care of my problem. So how much is it? Let me.
I think you said 100K.
100,000.
Yeah.
Okay, before evening you get it in. Oh, let me do it now, Seth.
Alright.
Let me credit
You need to help him, okay? Please.
I'll do that.
Very important.
I'll do that.
Ribayata. Yeah. Oh, evil spirit. I say nobody can battle with the Lord. Nobody can battle with the Lord. Somebody give me fire.
Fire!
Give me fire.
Fire!
Give me fire. Give me fire. Give me fire. You can't battle with the Lord. Oh, you spirit of Mabuda. Oh, you spirit. Evil spirit. I'm back. Oh, yeah, give me fire.
Fire!
Give me fire.
Fire!
Give me fire.
Fire!
Give me fire.
Fire!
Enumuloku. What is? His face.
Hey, shut up.
Ribayakata. Enu muloku wana muloku enu muloku. Enu muloku. Enu muloku. Enu muloku. Enu muloku. Rikata. Yaba yakata.
Oh, Ija.
Yeah. Oh. Yes. He must undergo 21 days fasting and prayer to back up these prayers.
Him alone, right?
Him alone. Unless somebody wants to join him.
Who wants to join him? He's the one with the evil spirit, so he should do the prayers alone.
Exactly.
Prophetic.
Shut up. See, we must be very careful in order not to attract the cause meant for him. Asimenu muloku ana muloku enu muloku enu muloku enu muloku enu muloku enu muloku enu muloku rekete ya basa ya shake it.
At times in no be as you they see something no be so that he need they be. Now he make how they say no they rush they conclude no. I they look for fine body, I they look for fine face yo. I no say now for inside the way beauty day I for lose better thing no.
My friend, stand up from there. What are you doing there? Are you mad? Stand up. May that morning choke you there. Good. Did you hear me, Abruka? Good morning should choke you. Ha ha! See your life. How is your life now? Miserable. Me, Annabelle, I will deal with you in this house. You see this house? I will make sure you suffer. That 21 days fasting, I will make sure you don't drink water nor eat anything in this house. Me, you must less by fire by force.
Sure. Not even think sure you go see make me no leave. I must leave.
Leave go where? This house. You dey leave go. When Annabelle dey here, where you dey go? They don't tell you. You know they look face. You know they look face. You dey go where? Come out for this gate. Try am. I go less you. I go press you like bread. You no go come out go anywhere. You see this gate? You are not going anywhere. Until shut up, my friend. Until that 21 days fasting is over, you are not stepping out of this gate. Shabi, you want to show me? Let me be okay for this house.
Sure.
I will deal with you.
Not even to show you go win. Not even to show you don't win. I don't win you. Because my God will soon find out.
Find out where? Where you want to find out? I will deal with you. You see this house? You will run from here. Is it that you leave this house in peace or in pieces? Let me be Annabelle. By the time I'm through with you, if you hear Anna, you take off. Me in this house. No food, no water. Everyone they shake. Never even go anywhere, never even go water. You don't they shake, they vibrate.
Now when I do chop, you don't challenge me.
Shut up. Never they faint. Find food. Come and eat food. 21 days fasting. That is what you're going through.
Now when I eat and this day fit challenge, who will fit now? I will beat him. I'm rich with this now. I'm rich. No. My bad.
Makana kwa bumma wanyia ejiroma esiofe.
Wifey,
Yes, dear.
don't you think we have really suffered the little boy enough? Let's just give him food to eat, please.
Are you the one saying this? Don't forget, we're in this together.
I know we're in this together, and I hate him for his stupidity, but I can't watch him suffer like that. He hasn't eaten since morning. It's almost 24 hours.
24 hours, and you're complaining. Don't forget, he has 20 more days to go. Of course.
That's too much.
That's 21 days fasting.
Yes, I know, but it's rather too much. You're doing this as if it hurts you personally.
Hurts me? No, come on. He's just a little boy. He needs our help. And the only thing we need to do for him is to support him, not giving him food.
If you say so, but I know Abuka very well. He's a foodie. I'm even surprised that he's still cool up to this time. Please.
He doesn't have choice because he needs to be delivered of that evil spirit in him. It will favor all of us.
Oh, let him not faint though.
Faint? Huh. He needs help. I will give him help. Not giving him food or water. Okay?
Alright.
It's okay.
Hi, Fee.
Okay. You startled me. You should have knocked.
I am sorry. Your noodles is on fire. It's almost burning.
Oh.
That's why I came.
Oh, my noodles. Please just bring it down from the gas cooker, please.
How can I? You said I shouldn't make the noodles for you. That you have a special way of making it. So.
I know. Just help me, please. Please.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. I just know my brother's documents.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to arrange it for him. I'm trying to arrange his stuff, shoes, everything. Put them together.
Oh.
Yeah.
Arrange.
Yeah. Arrange his stuff and all that. His documents, his
Funny
clothes.
because my brother has never allowed me to even touch. But it's fine. It's okay.
Okay, I'm coming. Just help me. Thank you.
At times in no be as you they see something no be so that he need they be. Now he make her they say no they rush they conclude no. I they look for fine body, I they look for fine face. Yo. I
Okay.
don't know say.
Yes, I'm at home. Where are you? Okay, already my gate. No, I'll tell them to open the gate for you. Alright. What is it? My friend, what is it? You never see anything. Huh? You never see anything. Why did you allow that strange spirit to enter you? Huh? The spirit that made you to be disturbing me in this house. 21 days. You've gone barely 24 hours and you're complaining. If you got for wire today. You got for wire through this process.
I won't die. I know if you stay without food. Now I won't die you.
You know if you stay without food. Let me tell you something. The fasting is good for you. It's good for your health. Oh yes, I want you to reduce. Make it off. Make it blum. Eh? I want you to reduce so that at least your senses will come back. If you die, I bury you and I will tell you that I'm bigger than your spirit. Spiritually, I will mess you up. Come on, go and sit down. Get out of here! 21 days, like I said, get out.
Okay, well, what's up?
Why is this idiot when they talk?
That's your boy now.
Yes, 21 days fasting and I'll pray. We'll pray as well. The guy has been disturbing me.
What?
Oh yes. We are trying to revive him. We are trying to deliver him.
Okay.
Yes. One prophet came here and gave him spiritual assignment. 21 days fasting and prayer. so that he will come back to his senses and as well be a good boy.
21 guinea, 21 days.
Yes, right.
For that small boy? No, now, Greg. I mean, which man of God gives such a ridiculous number of days for a small boy like this? Eh?
I thought about it, but that boy, you know, they hear word. That boy, you know, they hear word at all. Let me see him through the process first. Let's see how it goes. Yeah? I thought about it. I'm worried about it. But at the time, I said, let me give it a trial. This is 20 hours. I'll be how many hours now? Then let's see 24 hours. From 24 hours, we get to 72 hours or get to this and then we'll know.
Greg, whatever it is, I do not support this. This is suicidal. Eh? Do you know what it means to survive with no food or water for 21 days? Wait, boy, do you know that's a small boy? Eh? Greg, can you do it?
I know, but don't worry yourself. Eh? Like I said, once it gets to 2-3 days, I will give him something. Do you understand? Just that I don't want Annabelle to know about it. I don't know how she would take it.
What are you? So you're trying to consider Annabelle before the life of this child?
She was the one that brought the prophet. She was the one that brought the prophet here. Do you understand? So I wouldn't want her to feel like, oh, we aborted the mission.
I do not even believe that Annabelle endorsed this kind of behavior. How?
One day, you don't know that boy. If you know him too well, he's even bigger. You are saying a small boy. That boy, Aboroka is bigger than you and I. I'm telling you the truth.
Greg, no kill somebody pick him up. I don't even believe that Annabelle supported you in doing this. Eh?
Aboroka, don't do this. Aboroka, are you okay? Aboroka, no. Who is here? Get me my car key fast. Get me my car key. Aboroka, don't do this now. Aboroka. Get me water, please. Water. Aboroka. Who are you? And what are you talking about? Do I know who you are?
Who I am?
My friend, get out of my house also. Come on, get out. Get out.
Wait a minute.
I don't have any issue with you. I don't know who you are. Now get out of my house now.
So she's the reason you have been avoiding me.
Who is the reason? Babe, I don't know who she is. I don't
What's
know.
going on?
You don't know me.
Do I know you? Who are you? I don't know.
How could you? How could you do this to me after all the love you promised me?
Get out of my house. Who? Do you know who? Do I know you? Do I know who? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Get out of my house!
I should get out.
I don't know who she is. I don't even know what she is.
You don't know me.
I said get out of my house.
You were busy.
Busy doing what? Huh? I don't need you in my house again. Don't try and come to my house again. What's all this nonsense? Huh? Hey, babe.
Wait. So you had a relationship all along, and you were busy deceiving me.
No, babe, stop
really?
now. Babe, stop
I don't want to
that.
see you ever. Ever.
No, honestly,
don't come close to me again.
Babe, can I? Hey, Chineke. Babe, can I talk to you? I don't have a girlfriend. No, honestly, no. Can I explain? Can you allow me to explain, babe? Hey, babe, stop. Babe, stop. Babe.